Hey, welcome back to another episode of Rebel Rant series. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of marketing, where creativity meets strategy and innovation drives success. But before we jump in, I have to share that I'm now using the powerful and versatile Fine Amplicap A8 Plus microphone to bring you this episode. The crystal clear audio quality it provides truly enhances our conversation, and I'm thrilled to have it as a part of our podcasting setup. If you're looking to upgrade your recording gear, be sure to check out the link in the description for more information. Now, let's get down to business. Marketing, my friends, is the beating heart of any successful venture. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or simply someone interested in the world of marketing, this episode is for you. We'll explore the key principles, strategies, and mindset needed to excel in this dynamic field. My journey into marketing began back in 2006, where I found myself immersed in the world of promotions. From working with entertainment venues to collaborating with various food and beverage establishments, I gained valuable insights into the power of marketing and its ability to captivate audience and drive business growth. Little did I know that this would be the catalyst for my exploration into sales, marketing, and ultimately entrepreneurship. Marketing is not just about advertising and promotions. It is about understanding your target audience, crafting compelling messages, and creating experiences that resonate with them on the deep level. It is about building relationships, fostering trust, and delivering value that goes beyond the transactional. We'll delve into the core principles of marketing and explore how you can leverage them to stand out in a crowded marketplace. We'll discuss the importance of market research, knowing your audience inside out, and identifying their needs and desires. We'll explore the power of storytelling and how crafting a compelling narrative can create an emotional connection with your customers. We'll also dive into branding, highlighting the significance of building a strong brand identity that reflects your values and resonates with your target market. In the ever-evolving landscape of marketing, we'll touch upon digital marketing strategies and the role of social media in amplifying your message and reaching a wider audience. We'll explore content marketing, search engine optimization, and the power of influencer collaborations in driving brand awareness and customer engagement. But marketing isn't just about the tactics, it is about mindset and continuous learning. We'll discuss the importance of staying curious, embracing experimentation, and adapting to the ever-changing trends and technologies. We'll also touch upon the significance of data-driven decision-making and the role of analytics in optimizing your marketing efforts for maximum impact. I want to assure you that this is just the beginning. In the coming episodes of Rebel Rant series, we'll dive into various self-improvement and business topics, including entrepreneurship, leadership, personal branding, and more. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for exciting discussions and valuable insights. Thank you for joining me on this journey to excel in marketing. Remember, marketing is about connecting, influencing, and creating meaningful experiences. It is about embracing creativity, seizing opportunities, and making a lasting impact. Before we part ways, I want to leave you with a final thought. Marketing is not just a career or a job. It is a mindset. It is about embracing your unique perspective and daring to be different. It is about constantly seeking growth and improvement, both for yourself and the brands you represent. Together, we'll sharpen our marketing skills, ignite our passion, and make an impact that resonates with the world. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Rebel Rant. If you enjoyed today's discussion, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this podcast with your fellow friends, marketeers, and aspiring entrepreneurs. And as always, your feedback is invaluable, so feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me on social media. Catch you on the flip side.